Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mashiraz. I am the student of Rayan School, Islamabad, affected by at foundation level. This is my topic introduction on the topic of the how to build a new tomorrow by Sidra Iqbal. Let's start. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I want to share some inspiring thoughts from the TEDx talk how to build a new tomorrow for yourself by Sidra Iqbal. Life is full of challenges, disappointment, unaccepted changes. Sometimes we feel stuck in the past or worried about the future. But one important lesson from this talk that is that we all have the power to create a better tomorrow for ourselves. Your future is not decided by your failure, it is decided by your mindset, your action, and your willingness to keep moving forward. Many people wait for the perfect time to start changing their lives, but the truth is the best time to begin now. Even small positive steps can lead to big success in the failure. If you want a better tomorrow, learn new skill, improve your habits, stay positive, and never stop believing in yourself. The talk also reminded that fear often stops people from achieving their dreams. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, and fear of change can hold us back. But growth only happens when we step outside our comfort zone. Every successful person has faced the difficulties. What makes them different is that we refuse to give up. Another important point is self-confidence. When you believe in yourself, you become stronger, more focused, and more motivated to achieve your goals. Tomorrow depends on the choices you make today. If you spend today learning, improving, and working hard, your future will become brighter. Remember this beautiful message: a new tomorrow begins with the decision you make today. So never lose hope. Keep dreaming, keep growing, keep building the future you deserve. Thank you so much. This is my TEDx talk on the topic of how to build a new tomorrow by Sidra Iqbal. This is successfully done. Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan. Zindabad.